Hello, friends. Sorry the video's a little late. I ran over on my nap. So we're getting ready to enjoy the Friday night. Market up or down? The market is down. Okay, so happy days are here again. And just for a little quick big picture, look what I'm seeing. We're right here getting ready to hit the 20, right? So look what happens when it hits the 20. Typically, we could come crashing down. Nobody freaking knows, but likely at least the first hit. We're going to get a little bounce. So if we can get some money in today, that's all going to be good money spent. So let's take a look at the brokerage. We did not sell anything. No big shocker. The market was down. We only have 2 day trades left, but we got 420 bucks. Okay. So what's the first thing we do? What's this little thing mean? Dividend. Look at that. Wow. Cool little stuff. Dividend coming up. All right. So we need to go through and see if these are under 30 RSI to see if we can buy these, right? So MTB is first. I believe it's on the screener here. And it is not under 30 RSI. All right. So what's the next one? Advance Auto and Kraft Heinz. Advance Auto, well under a 30. And I really like this. This is a beauty. So when the account gets bigger, I actually built a huge position in the main account during this time frame and sold out here. But now, as it's falling back in to the Fibonacci, about halfway, I'm able to start building another huge position. So for one dump, consolidation, and recovery, I'm going to get multiple trades done. Okay. And then Kraft Heinz, 27.22. You see the RSI number right over here. So this is a buy too. So we have at least these two. We'll start there. It was a great week, trading wise. A little nerve wracking with no income, being just semi-retired, retired investor. When you get the holiday thrown in, no matter what your political views are on it, it's adds added stress to somebody that makes their full income from the markets. So hopefully they don't get it up their ass to do a bunch of those holidays, because they really hurt folks like me. But we pulled her through. We had an awesome week. So I hope y'all did as well. Let's go ahead and get some orders put in. Whichever one's up, that's the one we're going to go with. Oh, we got to cancel some stuff here. They're doing maintenance right now on the platform. I'm not sure how that's going to affect things. But if something funky happens with the video, you know what we're doing at this point, right? And if you're a little unsure, go back and watch the old videos. It's the same process over and over again. First triggers a second. Remember, we do have 2 round trip orders, so we are going to use them. We'd like to buy 1% of our account, but that would only be $4. So we have to at least buy 1 full share. So that's where the sizing comes in. We're going to buy 1 and sell 2. 66 or 65, 67. So we need to figure out our sell price, right? So if you add these 2 numbers up, divide by 2, get the average. It's also right here. Times 1.01. That's the profit target that I like. So make sure you're following your trading plan, whatever that happens to be, but this is what I like. So if you need to, pause the video. You can do the same thing with Kraft. Just look at the chart and see what the current closing price is and use that number and figure it out for yourself. I'm going to breeze through this because I have a tendency to ramble on. And I'd like to do some other stuff with my Friday evening here. I'm sure y'all would too. Okay, 65, 67. So this one kind of buried a little bit. Good till cancel with the extended hours. The market is currently closed, so none of these are going to fill. We'll have to pick up the pieces on Monday, but that's all right. And this goes to show you that if you can't get to it right away, take care of your kids. You know, give your wife or husband big smooches or something. But this is here when you're ready. But do make time for it. It's 10 minutes a day, and you can make the 10 minutes any time of the day you want, as long as you're consistent. But I really do. I feel like if you're not doing at least that, society's just going to leave you behind. Inflation is just way out of control. Okay, that's the price, $35.91. We'll try not to rant too much. That's probably not popular. All right, add these up, divide by 2, get the average. It's also right here. That was a gift. That one was pretty easy. Good till cancel with extended hours. Remember, always get that. And we'll double check. Yeah, that's a no-brainer. Ship it. Now, we have $318 left. What is the next course of action we should take? Let's hit the screener, right? Let's see if there's anything on there. I don't know if there is or not. I went to the orthodontist with my son, so we went out for lunch. Made a big trade in the morning and then pretty much took the day off. There wasn't much happening. But I got alerts set, and I'm always aware of when the market starts popping off, and I will stop literally anything to tune in while the market's moving. So enjoy the summer. It's typically a dead market during the summer, but this strategy is going to work perfect in the summer. Wow. Am I missing something? Next year, next 5. Looks like we actually got some stuff here, right? We've looked at candles before, 31, 32. You could take this, but the P's dropped just enough. 32, it's a 16. It's close. Look how long it's been going sideways, though. If it was going to continue down, it then already would have went down. So let's take this one. It's a nice. It's not a great price, but it's a nice consumer brand. Everybody knows the brand. 35.59. And apparently that's just too much for my computer to frickin' handle here. I said, what? And you see, all I did was I added the PE and the forward PE and took the average. All right. And the only reason you can make a case to go ahead and go for it is the forward PE, at least. That's in the range. And the average of the two, that's close. Oh, I see. I got too many. I got Dan the repeater here. All right. Let's get an order in. I have been buying this in the main account too. Just because it's close and I have more money. It makes a huge difference. Once we're only doing 1% of the position size, well, we can take more liberty with our positions. But the problem is one share is friggin' 10% of our account, damn near it, So you have to be more careful. Now we are out of day trades. We have the 2 round trip orders on the other ones. So these are going to be real quick. We're just going to put them in 45.59 and no sell order, okay? Good till cancel with the extended hours. And if these don't fill on Monday evening after market, we're going to cancel them. And the reason we're not putting the sell order in is the pattern day trading rule. So if you're not up to speed with what that is, you should look that up. New Jersey gas. Okay. It's right in the same zone, right? 15 is what we're shooting for, but it's close. 3% dividend. The debt is probably a little high for a utility. They've got some accounting stuff going on, you can see, but utilities typically just slow grow, and it kind of looks like that's what's going on, minus some little accounting stuff here. So let's go ahead and take this one to 45.98. Hopefully you can see a little difference too in the cycle of the market. As we get closer to the 20, I'm way more comfortable putting money in because it's close to a potential area to turn around, right? Load the boats, as they say. Prepare for war. One share. Wow. Trade crazy after hours, didn't it? 45.98. It'll cancel with extended hours. So we got 45.98. That's correct. All right. So there's only one left on here. So now we have banks, consumer defensive, consumer cyclical, and utilities. We have almost all of the sectors. This is the same, right? Same shape. This is electric. Similar dividends, similar debt, right? Similar growth. This one's just fine. We'll take this as well. 46 and a nickel. Now, there are two things that keep us out of trouble on these trades. Number one is our account size. So we can't go too crazy because we'll just run out of money. Another thing that keeps us, basically protects us from ourself and our own emotions, is the fact that the screener only has so many names on it, right? So now there is nothing to buy. We have bought everything, right? We bought everything. $46 and a nickel is all they're getting from us. One share. We'll do a little big picture here at the end, but I don't think there's a whole lot to discuss. Get till cancel with extended hours. That is important. Ship it. All right. So now we go to our main account phase, and you can see we've got a lot of activity going on a down day, but we still have $181. Most of our stocks have been between $40 to $60 range, so we still have some money. So as the market continues to drop, we're not going to lose. And you think we only had like a third of our account in stocks. So as the market's made this whole big move here, let's take a look. So the market did this whole move here. We didn't lose nothing. We didn't even get our money until today. See? So people are worried about buying the exact top or the exact bottom. And you know I like to praise. We bought exactly not the top, right? Top's up here. So no matter what happens, even if it keeps going down, we didn't buy the top. So let's take a look at the weekly and wrap this thing up. It's an inside candle is what they call it. So it didn't break the range of the previous candles. It's right here in the pocket. So it's a nothing candle. We'll have to stay tuned for next week to see what the heck's going on. But everything looks good. Everything looks fine. We're making some money. I don't know how the dividends go. We're getting close to the end of the month. I'm going to be out of town the week of the 4th of July, so we might do the statements a little bit later. But I don't know. We'll just kind of have to wait and see. But going to connect through nature, 7 days on the lake. And of course, I'll still be trading, and I don't know what the videos will look like during that time. They might be cell phone videos. I don't know. We'll see. We'll play it by ear. But hope y'all are doing good. Be safe this weekend. Have some summer fun. We only get so many summers in our lifetime. And we'll catch you next week. Peace out.